Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. I got a great idea. I'm going to build a planter. I know, woodworkers on YouTube building planters during the summer. Shocker, I know. But I'm not going to build it out of fence pickets. I'm going to build it out of reclaimed material like I build everything else. So I have a bunch of 2x4s from scavenging some pallet wood, and I have all this tin roof that I got from a demo of a carport about a year ago. So let's go ahead and put those two together and see if we can come up with a nice planter. I'll use it in the garden, and I'm going to try to make a prototype, see if we can sell it on Facebook. Stay tuned. I'm not really in the market to make a video of me cutting a bunch of boards and you watching each and every cut. Here's a quick montage of me just cutting the boards, but what you're really looking forward to is the cut list for all these boards. It's going to happen right now. All right, guys, what you're witnessing here is me and the camera crew trying to get a better camera angle, and the camera crew is me. And you're also going to see me and the camera crew go ahead and adjust the lighting so that the stage is a little better for filming. And by adjust the lighting, I mean close the shed doors. All right, I'm going to put pocket holes. Do you need to watch me drill them all? Now I'm going to do the same exact thing I just did 3 more times. I don't really think there's any sense in watching me do the same thing over and over again. So if you didn't get how I did it the first time, rewind it, watch it again. It's all clamped up. I'm about out of clamps. You saw me glue it all together. We're just going to wait for the glue to dry and make it all solid. And then I'm going to use some recycled pallet nails to drive through these joints. Then we're going to do a little cleanup. We'll start putting the metal, tin roofing in there. Stay tuned. Here I made a box. Again. Here I'm showing you my Home Depot Oops paint, high gloss exterior gray for $2. So I'm gonna paint it. You get it, right? Let's fast forward. So I still have a box, but now it's gray. So now I have a gray box. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around to the end. Here's our planter, all recycled 2x4s and that tin roof I showed you in the beginning. Our $2 Oops exterior gray paint, and everything is glued, screwed, and nailed together. Again, thanks for watching to the end. I hope you enjoyed the video format. It's much shorter this time. I tried to make it as concise as possible. And if you have any comments or any information, or if you'd like to see me attempt to build something, please leave some information down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody you know. Let's get this YouTube channel rolling.